Here we're going to write the expression with a single exponent. So we have 10 to the power of 9 to the power of 3. Eventually, we're going to want to know how to use the power of a power rule here to help us out. But to make sure that we understand why that works, and because I care about you so much, I'll actually show you an expanded form as well. So first of all, what I want to do is I want to break this down. Instead of having an exponent, I know that 10 to the power of 9 to the power of 3 is 10 to the power of 9 times 10 to the power of 9 times 10 to the power of 9. And now we're going to use the rule that we know about multiplying as well in just a second here. But first, I'm going to actually break it up into expanded form here. I see that I have 10 to the power of 9 3 times. So the first one, I'm going to have 10 multiplied by itself 9 times. Now I have the second one multiplied by itself by 9 times as well. I'm using multiple lines on this here because there are so many 10s that I'm running out of space. So this is not very nice to do, having to write out this many 10s to help us answer this question, which is why the rules are so helpful. When these exponents start getting much larger, it starts getting much more difficult to expand them and make it simple to just add these together. So if we used expanded form, we'd have all of these 10s multiplied by each other, meaning I would have 10 to the power of 27. So in this case here, I could count up, okay, I'm multiplying 10 by itself 27 times to get my answer. But let's go back a step and see here that we have 10 to the power of 9 times 10 to the power of 9 times 10 to the power of 9. Our rule about multiplying powers is we can actually add these together. So we could take 10 to the power of 9 and add that to 10 to the power of 9, meaning adding the exponents, and then add that to this 9 as well. So we add all of those 9s together, which gives me 10 to the power of 27. A little bit quicker, right? But even easier here, if we know the power of a power rule, we know we can take 10 to the power of 9 and multiply it by 3, because I'm going to have 3 sets of 10 to the power of 9. And so really what I'm doing here is taking how many 10s there's going to be and multiplying it by 3. So 9 times 3 is 27, which gets us our answer of 10 to the power of 27.